This is the plaintiff, Joseph. He says he was walking his Yorkie named Rocky past the defendant's store, and the guy's unruly cat jumped out from under a gumball machine and attacked his poor little dog. The cat stuck his claws into Rocky's neck, and when he asked the defendant to take care of the vet bills, the rude guy said he won't pay a dime. This isn't the first time his cat is attacked. He's here in the name of justice, seeking the $500 he's owed. This is the defendant, Lot's Ida. He says the plaintiff walks into his deli one day with some bloody napkins, claiming the store cat attacked his dog. Well, firstly, dogs come into his store all the time without any problems, and secondly, no one witnessed any attack on the plaintiff's dog. He never even showed him the dog, and he thinks this is nothing more than a money-grabbing scam. He's accused of denying a cat fight.
All parties, please use your right hands.
Welcome back to the People's Court. Next case on the docket. The plaintiff says the defendant's cat bum-rushed his dog and injured the dog's neck and the dog's ear. But the defendant says the plaintiff's making it up. It's the case of cat got your dog.
Thank you, Douglas.
You're welcome in.
Okay, you've asked us to refer to you only by your first name. Joseph, you're suing the deli and grocery for injuries that your dog sustained at the hands of their cat. Tell me what happened.
Yes. On July, I think it was July the 17th, which I'm not sure exactly, but I was walking my dog, which I normally do, and I take the same route. When I was walking him on the other side of the street where the store is, the cat jumped out and just latched on.
Hold on, slow down. The cat crossed the street to attack your dog.
I crossed the street and I walked my dog up the other way.
Okay, I don't know what the other way is, but were you or were you not in front of the grocery store? That's what I'm asking.
Yes.
Okay, because I thought you had said that you were across the street from the grocery store. Okay, so now you're in front of the grocery store, and what happens?
Well, I have a long leash, and he's walking behind me doing his business, and I'm, just walking in front of him. All of a sudden, I turn around, and I hear the dog crying, and I see the cat's latched on to his neck and in front of him, and she's chewing on his ear. Wow.
Your cat's you know the word that wanted to come out of my mouth. Wow, your cat is fierce, okay?
Yes.
All right.
And I walked over and I try to, shoo the cat away, and the cat finally jumps off, and the dog is bleeding all over. I mean, blood everywhere. I'm holding him, and he's crying, and the cat finally went underneath and inside the store, I think, or underneath the gumball machine. There's a gumball machine where the cat normally stays. And a friend of mine, Nathaniel, he came over and he saw me that I was bleeding, the dog was bleeding and everything else, and he came over and started giving me tissues from the defendant's store. He's shaking.
You took him to the vet?
I took him to the vet.
And he was okay, right?
No, actually, he needed distemper because they didn't know if the cat was
had rabies.
Had rabies or anything. So you got to give him all the shots. Had to give him all the shots.
Right, but he didn't get stitches. Did he get stitches? Because the bill was only $292. I was kind of surprised it was so low.
No stitches.
Okay.
But a piece of his ear was missing.
Okay.
And she stopped.
Do you have a picture of the injuries?
Yes.
Let me see.
Well, not of the injuries. Not of the injuries.
You don't have a picture of the injuries?
No.
What do you have pictures of?
I have pictures of the store. I have a video of how I walk. I have pictures of the cat in the store. I have all of that.
The only thing remotely relevant would be the cat in the store, but I don't think you're contesting that it's your cat, right?
Yes.
It's your cat.
Okay.
Yeah. Why did you look at each other? Why couldn't you just answer? What were you doing? Why were you looking at him for the answer? I'm sorry. Who are you?
I'm the owner of the place.
Do you work there?
Yes.
Who are you?
I'm Herman. I'm the witness.
Do you work there?
Yeah, I work there too.
Work with me.
Okay. Is that your cat?
Yes.
Okay. What happened?
Nothing. He came to me. He got the napkin and the bill. He just told me I had to pay the bill. I said, what can I pay the bill for? He got the napkin. I said, I can't pay no bill.
Well, did he tell you your cat did this? What did he say?
He said the cat. I didn't see the cat was attacking the dog. I get to know that was my cat.
No, I know what you're saying. You didn't see it, and he's the only witness, and so why should you pay him? I hear what you're saying, but my question is, he came to you and he said, your cat, the one that lives in the gumball, what's the name of the cat?
Nancy.
Nancy. You name the cat Nancy, it's your cat. All right, so now I presume Nancy has the claws?
Yes.
Yeah. Did Nancy ever attack anybody or any other animal?
No.
Nancy lives where? In the gumball machine? What was this?
Well, she stays in the back. She stays in the basement, and she sleeps right by the gumball machine. She sleeps right there all the time.
Outside?
Outside the gumball machine.
Okay. So your defense is, I don't know that my cat did that.
Right, we didn't know that.
Okay. But let's say your cat did do that. Are you suggesting that your state of New York has some strict liability law where the owner of a cat must pay for any damages that the cat does?
I really love this question. If a cat attacks a dog and injures the dog, is the cat owner responsible for the dog owner's vet bills?
I think so. The cat owner should be responsible for the vet bills.
I guess the question is why? Why should the cat owner be responsible? What do you say?
Well, I guess it's because it's their cat that attacks.
True enough, but what did the cat do wrong? Real quick, what did the cat do wrong?
I mean, you can't really control your pet's actions, so...
So, does the dog owner have to pay or not?
So therefore, I think they should. It's their pet.
Oh, you were almost there, going inside the courtroom.
So are you suggesting that their cat should have been on a leash?
No, but
Right, because cats don't go on leashes.
There's the cat in the store.
Yeah.
It's
definitely their cat.
It's definitely their cat.
Right. Now, that's a separate question from do they have to pay you? The leash law applies to dogs. It does not apply to cats. And there's a reason why, because the natural behavior of a cat is extremely skittish, and it's only aggressive in defense. And New York recognizes that, and as do most other states. I think I actually did find a state that said your cat needs to be on a leash, which is really weird. It was a very strange state, but not New York. And the wild animal statute also exempts domesticated cats, which Nancy is. So I wonder, did your dog go over to Nancy and Nancy maybe did this to defend herself?
No.
Right. I don't know what actually happened. I'm going to take your word for what happened. I got to tell you, that is very strange behavior for a cat. But the question, hold on. The question is not, did the cat do something? I'm going to assume the cat did exactly what you say it did. The question is, did the human do something wrong? In other words, we punish human behavior, not animal behavior. Animals are animals. We punish people for not keeping an animal in control in accordance with what the law requires that they do. So if the law requires nothing and they did nothing, they violated no law. You get me?
Yes.
Okay.
But
what did you want to show me?
Evidence that this cat has attacked other dogs, and they knew it.
Okay, so prove that. What have you got? You have a witness for me?
No, this is a person.
Do you have an affidavit from whoever says this? No? Go ahead, I'll look at the text. I'll look at the text. It's not very good proof, but it's good proof when it's your text or his text, and we can use it against the parties here, and they give a text
I went inside, and I asked, I said, is this your cat? Yeah, your cat attacked my dog.
Jody up the block.
Yeah, that's Jody.
Hi, her name, who's Jody?
Jody's one of the neighbors that lives up the block.
Hi, her name is Janet, and I believe she lives above the laundromat.
I'm asking her, where is this person who lives, whose dog
Jody and I went looking for Janet, the lady who the cat attacked, her dog also. I could not find her. How is that proof that Janet's dog was attacked?
Because the lady's who lives
above the laundromat. This is thrice removed, dude. No.
Okay.
I could not find her. Do you know if she still lives there? As far as I know, yes, she does. Did you ask anyone? The laundromat? Yeah, they said they didn't know. Thank you anyway. Yeah. Thank you anyway is what I'm saying to you, too. All right. So based on what I am hearing, I am not going to award you $500, twice the vet bill almost. The vet bill plus time and aggravation, which is what you asked for. You are completely wrong in the law, and I rule in favor of the defendants. Wow. Thank you very much. And I hope your dog's okay. It sounds like he is, yeah.
All right, both sides hold on.
Well, it did not work out for Joseph, the plaintiff in this case. You're smiling, but you really aren't happy here, are you?
No, not really.
I mean, you won $500.
Well, I wanted to just make sure that people take responsibility for their animals. This is his animal. He should take responsibility for it. But I understand the law.
You do now understand the law.
Well, now I understand.
Now you do.
Yes.
Okay. How is the dog?
The dog is
You
fine.
said lost part of his ear?
Yeah, little pieces.
A little piece of it?
Yeah, it's
But
gone.
he's doing okay.
He's
I think
fine.
you should stay away from that store.
Oh, well, me and the dog are, you know.
You
but-
and the dog, both.
Yeah.
I think go a different direction. Good
Yes.
idea.
Thank
All
you.
right. Thank you very much. Sorry it didn't work out for you in court today. Here comes the defendant now. I think you're bewildered by all of this. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. The cat is still there.
Yes,
Yes,
still there.
it's still there.
He's going to live there, I guess.
Yes,
Yes,
great.
they had to.
Okay. Very good. Well, look, you're lucky. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. Good enough. Okay. Take care, gentlemen.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Harvey?
Okay, Doug, this guy was almost there. The fact is, cats don't have to be on a leash, and unless there's some history of violence on the part of the cat, dog owners out of luck.